8 days, 1,000 miles, a dirt bike and a dry bag, 5 guys chasing mountainous horizons and homemade rice wine. This is dirt biking North Vietnam. Day 4 started off with wonderful weather and even better views as we headed north to Sapa.
I don't think it's broken.
Just gonna be sore in the morning.
Oh, I'll be sore in the morning. Up and at 'em.
The thing about injuries out here, you still have to get to a hospital. We're miles away from medical care, but I guess that's half the thrill. Survival. As we approach the Sapa region, the Dragon Glass Bridge comes into sight. I was getting vertigo just viewing it from a distance. As we make it into town, the local Hmong people are immediately trying to sell. They are nothing if not persistent.
Later.
For sure? Sure?
And they will find you if you make pinky promises.
What's your name?
I'm gonna look for you.
Yeah, I look for you later too.
Murphy.
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 Mito.
Mito?
Yes. Song.
Song?
Like the singing.
Oh. Can you sing?
In the shower.
Oh.
Everybody here speak English. And you have careful with, if you don't want to buy some, so just say no.
Yeah.
If it's no, they will follow you whole day.
Yeah.
Sapa is a beautiful little mountain town, even if it feels less Vietnamese in its hyper-illumination. The streets are filled with food, drinks, and shopping. It's fun to walk the town, enjoying the people watching and feeling almost like you're in downtown Las Vegas.